Hey guys, welcome back to the FOREX podcast. And just gonna be a brief, short video for you all on a trade we took last week after we caught that amazing 15-16 hour on EU. And the next day, which was Thursday, the 22nd of June, we caught a beautiful trade on EU, so a beautiful buy. But we could not really do a video breakdown for you guys because there's been a really busy weekend. We're all busy, but we're gonna do that for you guys right now because we have always promised that we'll show every trade we take and explain why we took them so that you guys can learn and build your trading. So I'm gonna dive right in, and this was on Thursday. You can see it with the white line, and we took it by around this zone. So let me indicate some things that you guys can see clearly. So around this zone was Asia's low. Okay. Like I said, before you guys can determine Asia high or Asia low, you have to know when Asia section starts. Okay. You have to know the time Asia section start. You can know that by just Googling. You can go on Google and check when does Asian section start so that you can know the highs and lows of the Asia section. So that's Asia low and this is Asia high. Yeah, this place. Just want to indicate that for you guys so that you guys can see clearly. So now below Asia, we had liquidity. I told you guys we'll always show you guys every liquidity in the market. So we had like an equal lows here below Asia. So that was liquidity that the market will always draw to and go and take it out. So this is equal lows, liquidity, bottom center. Yep. And this is Asia low, bottom center, and this is just to indicate it for you guys so that you guys can see. This is Asia high, top. Yes. So well indicated. So price what rallied down, took out Asia low, all right, and also took out Asia high. Sorry, took out Asia low and also took out the equal lows below the Asia low. You can clearly see it. And this is the 1 hour time frame. So once you see liquidity has been taken out on this, once you can identify the liquidity and you know where the liquidity is, and you see that price has taken it out, you have to now check for your confirmations on a lower time frame for you to get an entry. So we went on the lower time frame. I'm going to take it down right now to the 1 minute. Let me go to 5 minute first. All right. So we go to the 5 minute time frame, and there's clearly a break of structure. All right. There's clearly you can see it Asia high, Asia low, then the equal lows. You can see price took it out. Now see what price even did. Price also gave a third what? A third reaction from those equal lows. Let me mark it out for you guys so you can see. So there was a third reaction from those equal lows. You can see this week. You can see where the equal lows are. Price touched it there, gave a fake reaction. So all this, when you see something like this, one touch, you see one touch, you see two touch, then you see a third touch. What happens? These are support. So you have support around the zones. Price gave them a touch of that line. So what are they doing? They are buying. All right. They are buying at that zone, thinking price will go up again like crazy. And they put their stop loss below that zone. They put their stop loss below that zone. That's what they do. Now, what did price do? Price gave them a fake reaction. Give them a fake reaction here. A small rally to the upside. A small rally to the upside when it tapped this zone. A small rally there and came down again and took out their stop losses. So once we saw that, all right, once we saw what happened when price what did this, gave a small reaction to the upside, we knew that okay, they're just bringing in what inducing support traders, okay, so they can come and take them out later. So we just waited to see what they want to do. before we took our trade. All right. Sorry, I want to get this off the screen. Yeah. So now price took out their stop losses, took out everybody's support traders and their stop losses below the 1 touch, 2 touch, and 3 touch. And on the 5 minute, price gave a break of structure. So you have a what? A stop hunt here and a break of structure on the what? On the 5 minutes. So you have a break of structure and you can now see you want to get in on the 50% of the fair value gap. Yeah. You can see it. That was a beautiful entry there. 50% of the fair value gap. You can see the wicks. 1 touch, 2 touch, rallied up like crazy. So, but sometimes we trade the 5 minutes, sometimes we don't trade the 5 minute. So let me show you what we did on the 1 minute because we know we said we're going to show you our Fox entry, our Forex entry. So we're going to go to 1 minute so I can show you how we got in on the 1 minute so that you guys can see that we're reviewing everything to you and we're not holding anything back at all. Yes, so this is it. Let me take this off so you guys can see clearly. Yeah, leave the stop on and break of structure. So price did what? Take out the liquidity, the 1 touch, 2 touch, the 1 touch, the 2 touch, and give them a third reaction here, but still came down to smoke them out and take out their stop loss. Now we saw that and we are like, okay, let's wait for our confirmations. So what did we see? Let me zoom it in so that you guys can see clearly. Now this is the AMA candle. That one there that I just circled. Okay. Sorry about my drawing, terrible at the moment. But yes, I think that is clear enough for you guys to see. Yes, so this is an AMA candle. This one here. All right. This one here is an AMA candle. Yeah. So clearly seen. So we saw that and we're like, okay, nice. Let's see what the market is going to do. Okay. So after seeing that, we saw that price dropped again below the AMA candle and took it out. Took it out here. So once we saw this, we were waiting for the market to give us a what? A bullish engulfing candle. So when price took out the AMA candle here for this week, we're waiting for price to give us a bullish engulfing candle. So you can clearly see that the next candle after the AMA candle week has been taken out was a bullish engulfing candle on the 1 minute. This one here, I just circled. All right. So we saw that we're like, okay, so that's our what Fox confirmation for us to take the buy. But I always tell you guys, you always have to know what you're looking for before you take a trade. You can see this hammer candle anywhere and you can take it and the trade goes against you. Okay, you have to know your confirmations, your confluences, and why you should take that trade. So we just don't take any hammer candle, we just don't take any bullish and engulfing candles. We wait for them to align first with everything we want to see before we take our trades. You guys need to understand that. So when we saw that our entry was, let me show you guys the weekly reward. It was a good one. We caught to, I entered at the 1.09813. That was our entry, and we gave it a 2 pip stop loss because you always have to have good risk management if you know what you're looking for. And we rolled it up to Asia zone because we're just going to take out Asia zone and up to a really nice buy for us, a really nice one. Yep, we rolled it up to these zones. I held it to about 115, 1.01115. Yes. So that was it. I can clearly show you here. This is it. This was our entry below here. All right. And this is our take profit, 1.101115. So that's it clearly written and clearly stated on this is the MT5 that is screenshotted so that you guys can see it for real. And this was a beautiful trade we caught and it was a beautiful 1 to 15. A beautiful 1 to 15, So just a quick one so that you guys can see how we caught this trade, and you can see the rejection from that zone that I marked for my take profits. The rejection was crazy. You can see as soon as it got to that point, it melted down. Price melted down like crazy. You know, price melted down like crazy. So you need to know when to get into the trade, and you need to know when to get out of the trade. Very important. Very important for you guys to see and understand. So a quick video for you guys to see, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and go back to back tests, go back to observe the markets and study so that you can also catch beautiful trades like this and build your trading. Like I always say, learn, build, and 10x your trading. All right, so we'll drop another video for you guys this week. Stay tuned to the channel, like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button up there so that you don't miss any videos that we post every day or every week. Stay blessed. Take care. Bye for now.